Hi everybody, it's Gina. I'm back with another video today. I'm going to show y'all how to dress up some chicken stuffing. First of all, I'm at my stove. I've got a pan here. It's got a little butter. To that butter that's already melted, I'm adding half of an onion that I've chopped up. You don't have to mince it fine, you just have to chop it up some. And while that is cooking, we are going to open this box of chicken stuffing. Now, the chicken stuffing, y'all just saw that I got this morning at the food pantry. So, we know where this comes from. So, there's the stuffing. I'm going to grab a knife over here and open it. So, open the bag with the stuffing in there. And we're just going to dump that into the bowl here. Make sure you get all your stuffing out of the little bag here. Now, on the box, on the back, it says to add 1.5 cups of water and some butter. Well, I've got butter in there with my onions. I'm not going to add water. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of turkey stock to that. Because we're going to bake this in the oven, folks. We're going to make this into like dressing that you have at the holidays. You know, that kind of thing. We're not going to have just regular stovetop or store brand stuffing type thing that you use during the year. So I added my 1.5 cups of turkey stock. We're going to add some poultry seasoning to that. Just a little bit. I don't measure anything. Y'all know that. But just a little bit of poultry seasoning so we've got some flavor on it. And a couple of eggs. You know I got eggs this morning at the food pantry as well. So we're going to do that. Now, while those onions are cooking and things, we are going to just take the eggs, take the stuffing mix, the poultry seasoning, and the turkey broth, and we're just going to mix that together really well in our bowl. And that's going to help the cubes, the bread cubes, to go ahead and start soaking up not just the eggs, but also the turkey stock and things. Now, these onions won't take too awful long to cook. You just want to kind of cook them until they get like clear, otherwise translucent, and then you'll just add it to that. And I'm actually going to show you what I'm making in steps today, because y'all know my videos, if they go too long, somehow Facebook or YouTube don't like that, and then I'll start having problems with my phone and YouTube and all that good stuff. But the butter, how much I put, probably about 2 tablespoons in here. Maybe a tablespoon, tablespoon or so of the poultry seasoning. You don't need to add more salt. There is enough salt in the chicken stuffing mix, in the turkey broth, and in the poultry seasoning. You're not going to need more sodium. Now, if you wanted to add black pepper because you like black pepper, go for it. Also, if you've got bell peppers, you like that in your stuffing. If you've got celery and you like that in there at the holidays, please, by all means, go ahead and add that in, because that is only going to make the flavor taste better. I don't have either today. I don't have bell peppers, nor do I have celery at my house right now. And as you see, these are already fairly clear. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to just add this to my bowl. And that way you got the butter in there, and you got some onions to give it some flavor. Now, this is part 1 of this video. And I'm going to stop it there, and I'll bring it back to you in just a bit and show you hopefully in a little bit and show you some more. But if not, you can just bake this in a baking dish in the oven at 350 for probably about 40 minutes or so. And you'll have a pretty good tasting stuffing to have weeknight or holiday. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.